streams on a vlogging channel. Sorry about that. It's 22. So let's see if we can top this up. Yeah. Oh, I hate this stone shit I got. Like, hate it big time. So I don't know what we'll be doing today at all. Do have to get a new keyboard. Yeah, has to get a new keyboard today. Probably going to Best Buy today. I'm probably picking up a new tripod because I lost my tripod. I don't know how I lose my tripod at all. Yeah, you guys don't see my side about that. I really gotta find my tripod or just go get it. Might go get a new one. Because I need it. You be filming off my phone a lot more. I did get a camera. That thing is junk. Like, literally junk. I don't know how people can use it at all. So who will use that thing anyway? It barely works. The minute you try to take a picture with it or something like that, it shuts right off. It literally just shuts right off completely. I am a little sick, so you guys might hear my voice weirdly. Jesus. Okay, here we go. There goes my chair acting up. So much just like mine I had. Still got it, so I just gotta find it. Okay, here goes acting up again. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a little. Why? Just gonna do a little video, stuff like that. Not too much at all. For the time being. I know when I do it a little bit better, I'll be doing more vlogs, of course, like that. I really need a haircut. Hope I could get that done soon too. Probably next week. So yeah. Don't forget, guys, hit the subscribe button. And peace out on G Dodden Gaming. No vlogging channel. I gotta stop doing that. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button down below. And hit the thumbs up button. Peace out, guys. On Gene Dodden Vlogging channel. Peace.